It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,